dive in, we're jetting off to Salvador in the vibrant state of Bahia, Brazil, with a population of about 2.9 million people. This city is brimming with life, culture, and some downright peculiar facts. First, Salvador is the center of Afro-Brazilian culture, where the rhythm of the drums beats day and night. Here you'll find the largest carnival in the world, a riotous celebration of life, music, and dance. Second, Salvador is known as Brazil's capital of happiness, and no wonder with over 365 churches, there's one for every day of the year. Third, it's home to the first elevator in Brazil, the Cultura elevator, connecting the city's upper and lower towns since the late 19th century. Now, let's switch gears to the weird and wonderful. Did you know Salvador has a museum dedicated entirely to the preservation of the Bahian sea turtle? Or that it's the birthplace of the unique martial art capoeira, a fusion of dance, acrobatics, and music. And finally, Salvador is the city of acarajé, a dish so spicy it's said to make you see visions. So there you have it, Salvador, a city of unexpected surprises. If you're craving more, find me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgel, where the adventure continues. Stay curious and keep exploring.